Hey, it's Marshall from Going Gear, and today we're going to take a look at the Fenix HP20. It's a light that I've been really impressed with so far. Really nice implementation of a headlamp. So let's open this up and see what you have on the inside. You can see it comes with a nice little carrying case. I don't know if I would ever actually use a carrying case for a headlamp or flashlight, but you can if you want to. So let's open it up. Here's what you have on the inside. Some specs here on the lid. Let's go ahead and open this up. In case you're wondering how to open this thing up, you can see if you pull on the side right here, this plastic piece will pop out. So just pull on these little tabs and that'll pop out. Switch is set in there, so let's pop that out and then pull the light out itself. We're going to show you this more in depth here in just a second, so I'm going to set that to the side for right now. Show you what you have inside the kit. Let's show you the components a little more up close. So it's a headlamp, obviously, so you have the straps to attach to the light to make it a headlamp. You have one for around your head and another one for the top. There's another attachment clip, warranty, instruction information, some other clips. You can use it to attach the cable or the light to different places. And that's all the accessory stuff. So let's take a look at the light now. The headlamp itself has a pretty cool way to operate it. So here's the battery pack. Let's open this up and show you it real quick. You have this little piece here on the back. Slide that down and then the battery pack pops out like that. That's where you put in your 4 AA batteries. Belt clip. So you don't have to have this big battery pack attached to your head like a lot of other lights. You can attach it to your pack or your belt. You have plenty of cable here to attach it pretty much anywhere you want. Dual switch right here. I'll show you what this does here in just a second after you put some batteries in. And then the light itself, you can see, is adjustable, so you can adjust the angle to whatever you want. Okay, 4 batteries in the battery pack. Let's close that up and we'll show you how to use this thing. You don't really have to have it in this if you don't want to. You can have this attached wherever you want, put it in a shirt pocket, put it in a pocket of your pack, wherever you want. But we're just going to go and slide it in that for now. You can see the pack itself has a switch on the top. We're going to go ahead and press that. You're going to see it's going to turn the headlamp itself on. It's also going to turn the LEDs that are in the switch on. You see you have blue LED on one side, yellowish, orangish LED on the other side, and we'll show you what those two do. So the yellow one turns it off and on. This switch itself actually stays lit up. I'm going to turn the exposure down just a little bit so you can see it better. Alright, now you can see the switch lit up a little bit better. Blue and yellow. Yellow standby. So as long as you have this switch on the battery pack depressed, you can just use this to operate the light. The blue switch, when you have it turned on, is going to switch between your different modes. So you have 4 different brightnesses that you can choose between. And then you also have some flashing modes. To get into those, double click the yellow or the standby button. That's going to take you into your flashing modes. And then the blue one will choose between the different flashing modes. So there's a slow beacon kind of flash. There's your fast strobe. And then SOS. And every time you hit the blue button, it's just going to switch between the modes. And then double click the standby button to get it back into the regular illumination. You can switch between the modes again. So like I said, as long as you have that depressed, this will stay lit up and you can just use the remote cable to switch between your different modes. Pretty cool feature. We're going to go ahead and take this outside and we're going to see how the HP20 does outside. Alright, we're out here in my backyard with the HP20. It's 20 something degrees out here, kind of appropriate, which is end of the world cold to a Georgia boy like me, but I'm suffering through it because I want you guys to see the light. That's how dedicated I am. Alright, so let's try the 4D mag light first, the same thing I always use to compare. Let's give it a shot, see how it does. 15 feet away, 100 feet away, ground in front of it, same as it always does. Alright, let's click the main switch of the HP20, turn it on, and then you see light already comes on in the low mode, and then we're going to start cycling through the different brightnesses just so you can see the different brightnesses. Whole lot of light coming out of this little guy. Nice bright headlamp, great battery life on it. I really like the controls on it. I think Fenix did a really good job on this guy. If you're looking for an extended use headlamp, this is definitely one to check out. So I'll show you those different brightnesses again. I'll show you the ground in front of me. Since it is a headlamp, a lot of people are going to be using these on trails just to light up stuff in front of them. So I'll show you the ground, see how it does on the ground. Different brightnesses. You can see on high it's actually maybe a little bit too much light up close, especially when your eyes are adjusted to the darkness. We'll drop it back down, show you the brightnesses one more time, shine them around the yard a little bit, so you get a better idea. There's the lowest, which actually lights stuff up pretty well within 15-20 feet. Next up, there's the third one. There's the highest again. Alright, so that is the Fenix HP20. You can get it from us at goinggear.com or in our retail store. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to give us a call. We do have a retail store, like I said. And you can reach us in the comments of YouTube or at goinggear.com, however you want to reach us. And if you like the video, be sure to subscribe. We're putting out new ones all the time.